What's up, guys? Check this out. So today I went on a bike ride and I found something really cool, but I thought that was real, but it's not. It's counterfeit. It's fake. I did find out this change. Found a couple quarters and a couple pennies on the ground. So I got a couple quarters. We got a 1983 Denver, and we got one of the state quarters. 2006 Nevada state quarter. 1864, the Silver State, 2006. The horses, mountain, desert, trees, and the sun. Take it, just a couple quarters found on the ground in a vending machine. Found this penny on the floor too. The 2019 Denver. Take it, it's modern. Just a modern penny. Alright. Yeah, so I found this penny on the ground. Right here in the street, but it's a 2020 Denver, just a modern penny. I'll take it. It's still fine. That's the only thing I found on the ground, but I'll take it. Right, just a modern penny there. Check this out. So I found this fake counterfeit $100 bill. That freaks me out. I thought it was real. It looked real, but it's not. It's fake. It's this copy. It's fake. The United States of America gotta be trust. $100. Independence Hall. Look. 2009 A series. L6203341 6F. $100, but it's counterfeit. It's fake. I'll hold on to it. It's awesome. Just $100. Sweet. Alright. I'll keep it. That's awesome. It's kind of windy out here, so that's why I always keep my eyes open right there. Finders keepers. Found it first, so yep, that's awesome. I'll keep finding more. Right, guys. I found a penny on the floor in the street. And I found out a couple quarters and a penny at the vending machine. 51 cents. Sweet. Penny in the ground in the street. That's 52 cents. Couple quarters, couple pennies. I could take it. And this $100 bill that I found today. Alright, guys. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Like, share, and subscribe.